Hey, hello, and what's up, guys? Welcome back to develop.ai. So, guys, in this video, we are going to solve migrate my SQL data to cloud SQL using database migration service. And, guys, it is a challenging lab too. So, guys, if you are new to the channel, please make sure that please like and subscribe to the channel. As well as, guys, I'm getting this by sound of subscribers. So, please do subscribe to channel and like this video if you saw this video, and comment below comment section if you have any doubts, and if you complete successfully, and even then also you can comment below in the comment section. So now, guys, let me log into credentials, guys. So please do subscribe, guys. So just copy a password, open a console, and ignore the mode. So, guys, watch this video very carefully, and this lab is a bit tricky, so I'll be guiding in a step by step way. So please start to pause the video and start to apply in your lab, so that it will be easy to solve your lab very easily. So let me move to this lab, guys. Before that, I will guide you what to be done here. Click on agree and continue, guys. So now, guys, just come back to your lab, guys, and click on this challenge scenario here. In this challenge scenario, you can see noted US Central 1 is your region, as well as zone is US Central 1 C. So just go back to your lab and click on challenge scenario and see US Central 1. So it will be changed to everyone. So please do apply your lab region as well as lab zone when they ask. Okay. So just come back here. So guys, I'll put a link in the description, so get access of that link. So this is an description what I've been to be followed here. So just let us enable the API. Copy the database migration API. Just copy this and just come back to a lab and just search here, paste it here, and click on enter here. So click on this database migration API, and now open this new tab here, and just come back here and just copy another service networking API here, and just come back here, and now in the new tab search here and service networking API. So click on this API servicing. So now, guys, again now open a new tab here, and before that please make sure that please enable this both also. Click on this enable buttons here both. Now, guys, just come back here and search for VM instances. So come to navigation menu, click on this, and VM in compute engine and VM instances. So keep it as it is. So now just come back here. So we can see now we have been enabled the database migration API, and we have been enabled the service networking API. So just come back here, and now the another step is to follow is that just you search here database migration. So click on this database migration, cloud SQL, and ROIDB migration simplified. Click on this, and you can see create migration job. So before that, what to be done is that, guys, click on this connection file set. We need to create a connection file. So just come back here, click on task number one here. So in the task number one, so they have been given username and password. Okay. So just come back here, click on create profile here. So after clicking the connection profile, click on got it here. In the profile role, please select source here, and the database engine must be MySQL. So after that, the connection profile name, just come back here and just copy this ID here. Just copy this and just come back here and paste it here. And now after that, host name IP address. So come back to VM instances and copy this internal IP address. So copy this internal IP address and paste it here. And now username, just come back here and copy the username of admin. Just copy this and just paste it here. And now as a password, guys, just come back here, copy this, change me as a password, and just come back here, paste it here. And region is US Central 1. Please do select what in your lab is given as a region, and then after that nothing to be changes. So click on create here. It may take few minutes, guys. After that, just come back here, guys, and let me wait for few minutes, guys. So now, guys, so you can see here our connection has been created here. So now click on this side menu of this migration jobs and click on this migration job here. So now create a migration job. So now, guys, just come back here and click on task number 2 here. So at the task number 2, you can see perform a one-time migration of a standalone MySQL database to Cloud SQL. So we need to create a one-time migration of standalone. So just come back here, and now it is asking for job migration job name. So just come back here, just copy the name here, MySQL etc name here. Just come back here and paste it here. So after that, the source database engine must be MySQL. After that, the destination region, please do select your region name here. My user center one, I am keeping it as it is. And now migration job, it is asking for one time, not continuous. Please do select the one time here, and after that click on save and continue. So after clicking save and continue, let me do one thing, guys. Just wait for a few seconds, or else I will teach you what to be done on the next step. Okay. So now at the next task number 2. So here select this and click the test name which you have been uploaded at the earlier of the connection. So this is an ID of that, and then click on save and continue. At the task number 3 of this one time here is that, wait for a second here. Now it must be a new instance, and then it must be an destination ID must be an ID, and password, the password must be, just copy the super secret here. Okay, just copy the super secret and paste it here. So after that click on this, nothing to be changed here. Okay, click on this cloud SQL for MySQL 8.0, and then it must be an enterprises mode, and then uh, please do select this private and public. Check this both private and public, and click on this allocate and connect. So clicking allocate and connect, it takes a few minutes to get loading and updating. So before that, please do select these options. Okay. Machine shapes must be, and CPU must be 2 CPU, and then it must be in SSD, as well as it must be in 10 GB. So after that it may take a few minutes for one time. So what we do by this time is right click on this and open the link in new tab. So after opening this link in new tab, so again what will be done is that, so wait for a second here. So now again search for database migration. So click on this, and we are going to create a continuous. Okay, so click on this create migration job here. So the job name, just come back to your lab and come below at the task number 3. So just copy the name here. Okay, of continuous, and a continuous must be ended with cont. Okay, just copy this and just come back here and paste it here. So after that the source destination is must be MySQL, and the destination region must be US and all. Please do select what is in your lab region. So job must be continuous. So please do remember, for in earlier it must be in what, uh, in one time. Okay, it is continuous. So please do select continuous and click on save and continue. So after clicking save and continue here, so wait for a second. So come back to our one time here. Okay, I'm back to one time here. So here after creating this, after allocating and connecting this private IP address, so click on create and continue, and create destination and continue. After creating this, wait for a second here. It may take few minutes, guys, more than 5 or 10 minutes. So click on this VPC here, and VPC option must be default here. So wait for a second. So wait for a minute, more than 10 minutes or what, in for one time. So we are in now at continuous at the task number 2. Now select this ID of current connection, and now just click on save and continue. So after clicking save and continue, what to be done is that, wait for a second here. So now it must be new instances and password. Just come back to your lab, and just at task number 3, copy the password here, and just come back here and paste it here. So after that click on this enterprises mode, and then come below, it must be private, and there is no button because we have been already enabled in one time. Okay, allocate and connect the option in private IP, so it will be as a default done in here also. So after that click on this public IP, and click here to CPU 8 GB, and it must be in SSD, and it must be in 10 GB. And after that click on this create and continue, create destination and continue. So after that it may take 10 to 15 minutes of time here. So until then let me wait, and I will teach you what to be done and guide you what to be done at the next step. Okay, please do have a patience and let me wait for it another step. So now, guys, at one time migration job. So task number 3 has been completed here. So now let me move for task number 4 and click on configure and continue. VPC pairing as VPC default as we selected here. So now at the next step we need to test the job here. Click on test the job and wait for a second. It will get a green tick. So if you get any error here, so just alter here somewhere to be done your mistake. So just come back and just alter to be done, and watch this video very carefully. So just come back here continuous, and even the continuous migration job also completed at task number 3. So click on this connectivity method VPC peering. So VPC default, and then configure and continue. So just come back here. You can see in the one time migration job, we have been successfully done the test here. So now create and start the job. So after creating create and start the job, so just come back here. So wait for a second here also, and now create click on this test job here. So I hope so you also get an green tick here also. Wait for a second here. So now it is creating, and it has been successfully created a job here. So here also see, look here at it continues also, we got a green tick in test job. So click on create and start a job, and click on create a start and job. So now guys, it is under running guys, everything it is under running here. So now guys, the another step is to be follow, come to VM instances and open your SSH command here. So after opening the SSH terminal here, give it authorization details. So just come back to our lab guys, and I'll be putting link in description, so get access of the link. So just copy this command here. Just come back to our terminal and paste it here, and click on enter. So it is asking for the password, and just copy the another password here. Just come back here and paste it here, and click on enter. The password will be not be visible to you, but also you must copy and paste it here. So and the next step is just copy the another one and paste it here, and click on enter. So after that, just copy the another command and then paste it here and click on enter. So finally guys, we haven't completed one of the step here. So just come back here, and now guys, in this one time and as well as continuous, we need to get a green tick and click on this promote. Until then, we must wait in patience. Okay, click on here, and even this to click on this back button of this. And now guys, just refresh once again here. So refresh once again here. So the both one time as well as continuous, the post migration job must be in green tick, and after getting the green tick, click on this continuous IDs. The continuous migration job will be ended with CONT. So please do select that and click on this promote. Okay, the promote will be opened in a blue icon. Then you can promote. Okay, until then the task number 5 will be not executed. So please do wait in a patience. So until it get in a green tick. Okay. So now guys, you can see this, click on this continuous migration job here. So after clicking this, you can see an promote icon has been displayed here. Okay, it has been highlighted here. So click on this promote here and click on this promote. So now just come back here in continuous also, it will be same only, but it will be blocked right now because we have been already enabled in everything, because both are also in same migration job IDs only. Just come back here. So you must refresh once again. So you must be get a green tick. Until you get a green tick, it won't get executed in check my progress green tick. So you must get a green tick in both of one time as well as continuous migration jobs. So just come back, refresh here for many times. Until then, you must be waited for a few minutes. Until then, it get a green tick. Okay. So now guys, you can see, as if now we can see that we got a both green tick here. So here also refresh once again here. So we got a both green tick. So just come back to our lab guys. So click on task number 1 and click on check my progress, and guys you will get a green tick without any issue here also. At the task number 2, click on check my progress, and guys you will get a green tick without any issue here. So let me move for task number 3 also. Click on check my progress, and you will get a green tick without any issue. Here also click on check my progress at task number 4. You will not get an any error here. So see, you can see everything, we got a green tick. So please do watch the video very carefully. Pause the video and then start to apply. After this, this green tick may take 10 to 15 minutes, guys, more than 10 to 15 minutes. So have a patience, and then you could solve this lab very easily. So let us end this lab guys. So before ending lab, if you have any doubts and queries to be asked, please follow our join our telegram as well as WhatsApp community, or else do free to ask in comment section, comment below in the comment section, so that it will be very free to answer your queries. So we'll be meet on next video guys.